Alright, so we're back now. We got the SCOTTBOT installer downloaded. So what we're going to want to do first is open this up. And here we have cute Pikachu above your applications folder. You're going to want to drag SCOTTBOT into your applications folder. And once you're done with that, open it up and run SCOTTBOT one time. Should take a moment to open. Yeah, so once you have it open, it might give you key invalid or say whatever. You can just close that out. What you're going to want to do is open terminal. First, you're going to want to type in this command right here. This will make sure that the patcher will be able to install once you do the next command. I've already done this, so I don't need to do it right now. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to go back to the Discord, get this command right here, chmod a+x, copy that, and put it back in terminal, and then press space and drag the patcher on there. Press enter. So now you can see it's a program that you can execute. So once you've done that, you're just going to want to run that program real quick. It should take about 30 seconds or 60 seconds to patch the bot. So we're just going to wait for that to finish up. Process completed. So now that we're done with that, you can just save that for later. I keep on my patchers thing in case there's any updates and I need to repatch it. So now what you're going to want to do is launch SCOTTBOT. Here we go. I've already put in my key from when I had it installed before this video, but normally for you guys, a key window is going to pop up and ask you to input your key, so you're just going to want to put in your bot supply key. It should work. So to get this started, I'm just going to explain what every button does. So first here we have our task list, and this is the list of websites you can use. So we have some good websites like Best Buy, GameStop, obviously Hot Wheels, big dubs on Hot Wheels. We got Supreme, SCOTTBOT probably cooks the living shit out of Supreme. We don't know. Got Target New, which is what I personally used the other day to cook Nintendo Switch. We got Walmart, all that. So here's where you put in your link, or you put in the product ID number, or just keywords, I guess, if you want to run from the main page. And so depending on what you put in, depends on what mode you pick. So obviously you put in a link, you pick link. If you put product ID, you pick this, and keywords is just this. Then here you pick an account if you have any accounts for the website. Like let's say you want to have your Target login activated or your Best Buy login, you could just have that here. And then here's where you pick your task. So depending on what profile you choose, depends on like which card it charges and what address it goes to and all that. Obviously I don't have any made yet, but that's how it works. And then here you choose the quantity of items. So next up we're going to go to the profiles menu. So this is where you set up a profile. So to add a profile, you just click this button up here. And first off, you have to put in your name. So we're gonna put Chef Lemon. Then 420 Bruh Street, apartment number 69, zip code 42069. Of course, email bruh@test.com. Phone number 123 Profile name, we'll just make it Lemon Test. And then city, Melbourne, Kentucky. Don't know where that is, but sure. You're going to want to go to payment info right here. Put in your full name. So I'm just going to put Chef Lemon. Card number. Make sure to put all 16 digits. SCOTTBOT, I'm pretty sure does not currently support American Express, but they support everything else. So like, as long as you're not a cringe Amex boy, you should be vibing. We're just going to put in fake info here. Expiration date 04/20 for the boys. 420. We're gonna create that right there. Damn, bro, this is unfortunate. Probably because I put in some cap numbers right here. Let's just see. This is really unfortunate. Not exactly sure what's occurring right now. I think it knows that I'm putting in some cap numbers right now. But yeah, whatever. We don't need that set up right now. So basically that's how you make a profile. Then here just gives you some statistics on your total checkouts, failed checkouts, your success, and total spent. Obviously there's nothing here because I haven't used the bot yet, except for the other day, but I had a fresh installation. Here is your settings menu. So you can set up Discord webhooks, which I'll show you how to do right now. This is really easy to do. So basically, just go to your Discord, make a webhooks channel. You can see I already have one for SCOTTBOT, but I'll make another one. Just create this one, bruh test. And once you have bruh test set up, or whatever you want to call it, edit the channel, go down to webhooks, create a new webhook. You can name it whatever you want. Upload an image if you want to, and then here's the link for it. So you're going to copy that link, then hit save. So you're going to want to go back to the bot, put that link in right there, and then it says successfully save new settings. It auto saves them. So once that's saved, you can hit the test button. As you can see, successful test right here. So that's how you know it's working. So once you've done that, these are the other options. Dissolve API key for solving captchas. If you want to do that, you can just put it in there and it'll save. Here's where you check for updates. Every time you update, you're going to have to relaunch the patcher just to make sure that your bot supply key will work, which is why I saved it in the folder. Here you can edit your retry delay in milliseconds. So this 3000 milliseconds would just be 3 seconds. You can change it to whatever, and you can also raise it with this, except I don't know why you do that. 4000, whatever you want. Monitor delay, same thing. You can change it to whatever you want, and it auto saves every time you finish typing it in. Here you can open CAPTCHA solver, and you can log in right here with a Google account, and it'll bring you to a YouTube page so you can start generating one-clicks. Then here you can test your CAPTCHAs. As you can see, we're already cooking up one-clicks without even logging in because I'm a cook god, as they call me. Here, this button shouldn't exist. It says watch YouTube, but it's just another CAPTCHA tester. So really, you're just going to want to go to the first tab, which is where you log into a Gmail account and watch YouTube videos. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So yeah, here's where you put in your proxies. You just upload a folder, a text file with all your proxies set up, and then you'll have them ready. You only really need this if you're making a ton of tasks, because overall you can just run general task on your localhost main Wi-Fi, and that's fine. Right here, this is the change log, so you can copy the log, see what errors are happening or everything you've done. This isn't really that important. Most people aren't going to have to use this unless there's some critical fatal errors going on, but overall that's fine. Here, this is where you upload profiles, I'm pretty sure, and then here you export profiles, which we don't have any saved, so it doesn't matter, but just so you know for the future. So we're going to go back to the task list now because I want to show you guys this right here, which is a mask link change. So if you have a ton of tasks and you want to change them to a new link, you just enter the link right here and click submit, and it'll change all of them. And then this is similar, but this is a mask product ID change. So basically you'd enter the website and the product ID. So let's just say I'm changing Best Buy for whatever item. Obviously I'm just going to make this number up. I would just type Best Buy / whatever number for the product ID and hit submit. It would change all the tasks to that. And essentially that's it. That's the basics for SCOTTBOT. That's really all you need to know. It's all the settings in here. Last thing is just deactivate bot if you want to deactivate it to move your key to a server or a different computer. But that's about all you need to know. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys. Hope you guys get to cook in some Nintendo Switches. As you can see, we caught a big dub the other day right here. Got the Switch Lite Coral from Target. Shout out Target, charged me $200. Then I realized they aren't even reselling and I took the L. But I got it canceled, so straight dubs. You know how it goes, boys. Shout out Bot Supply. Project Destroyer cooked it up today. You know, 2 dubs. We got a third one that didn't come through here, but I got the email. We got some epic card declines on Velox, and I've only been here a week, so hope this guide helped you out. I'll probably make some more soon. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Chef Lemon Productions, #1 cook god in America.